Okay, my dear students, today I am going to show you how to draw a scheme and a reaction mechanism. Uh, that is, I am taking a name reaction, that is Hoffman-Martius rearrangement. You probably uh, heard about this reaction. So we same time we will learn the Hofmann Martius rearrangement as well as how to draw the structure of the molecule. So let's take the what is Martius reaction. Martius reaction. Let's see what is the reaction. Actually, this is the reaction uh, in presence of acid. So you can see in presence of acid, a rearrangement reaction in presence of acid, hydrochloric acid. If a tertiary alkyne, that is, or aniline group, you treat tertiary or amine salt, tertiary amine salt heat with amine salt of aniline. If you heat in presence of acid, uh, actually the if that amine having a alkyl group, that alkyl group is migrating from to ortho and para position. What is that reaction? So let's take a aniline group. This is aniline group. I am taking aniline group, this one. So this is R. I am doing little bit faster, so the video don't get too much lengthy. So you can read as well as that a rearrangement reaction converted an alkyl N-alkyl and aniline. This is N-alkyl aniline. See, to the correspondent ortho and para alkylated aniline, ortho and para alkylated aniline. You see, just follow me the arrow where from it is coming. We have first draw the N alkylated aniline, and we have taken the arrow. Now HCl. See the in presence of HCl, acid catalyzed. That is hydrochloric acid. So H C small l, and heat, we can write just heat, or we can put a delta sign below the arrow, heat. So what it form? It's form the N alkylated aniline. Aniline to form the ortho and para uh, alkylated group. So we just will paste two times. Two times we will paste, and we know that as alkyl group is a larger group than each, so it will actually migrate to para position predominantly. So para and ortho. So para will be the major product, and ortho will be the minor product. So R group, here R group. And next we will just double click here and just see, we will double click here, it will automatically come. And minus, we will put here a plus charge, plus sign, both the compound form. So you can write here, this is a major product, this is a major PDT. We'll write, we can abbreviation also, PDT product, and this is minor. Ortho is the minor, and minor. This is para and ortho. This is the main reaction. Now, how can we write the scheme of this reaction? Let's take the structure. First structure. and earlier I have a little bit drawn, so I will paste that here. See, this is the mechanism. We'll write mechanism over here. This is, we'll write mechanism. Yeah, we can in Word also we can write mechanism. So here we can write mechanism. So whatever we want here, we can change the format also. This is Arial, or we, if we want to take in Romans, that is also possible. Here, if you want to take this one in Romans, so just put, you click here, put arrow cursor here and Roman here. It will automatically take into Romans. So then what happened? This will be tetra. And just see, I want to just show you this. Just copy it and paste it, and already so one hydrogen is attached. This lone pair is given to here, and it came up to here. It gives the new structure, this one. So we will write another hydrogen here, and here now positive charge will come onto the nitrogen. Now see, in the medium HCl was there, so H plus is abstracted by the amine. So now the Cl will attack to chloro, the alkyl group, Cl minus. Here is Cl minus. This Cl minus automatically red sign gone. Cl minus will attack to this group. This, I mean, this. So just a little bit shift here to arrange perfectly. And otherwise you can just rotate. You can write here R HH. So that is also okay. So now the amine form, the aniline form, and which gives now I want to draw a fresh aniline. That is very easy to draw. That's why I am not copying now. So NH2. So in the medium now RCl is there. In the medium RCl is there. In the medium R plus and Cl minus is there. See, we'll write just RCl, R and Cl. Now RCl, this now see there is a lone pair on the nitrogen. Now as usual the reaction will go. We will take the opposite arrow, this one. So here it's come, then this bond will come to here, and this double bond will attack now. Sorry, opposite double bond. This now this double bond will attack here. Ortho is same. So this double bond will attack now here. So at the same time, you came to know that what is Hofmann-Martius rearrangement, and and also the how to draw a structure. So let's see what forms. Now we will take the cyclohexane form. It will easy to draw then. Here double bond, here double bond, here nitrogen NH2 double bond, and here one single bond. Hydrogen, one R, and Cl minus is there in the medium. So now here H, now here R, here NH2, and the double bond in between here, double bond, and there is a positive charge on the nitrogen, positive charge on the nitrogen. Now as usual in the organic reaction, uh, that this double bond will come here, and this will just put opposite arrow. So whatever is coming, you can learn as the as am showing. So this gone. So you got a structure. Now see the mechanism also you learn how to draw. Now simply I will write here the again I will not take this time the I will not copy this time. This will be very fast to draw actually. So and here already as written NH2 we can click here. Sorry, just click where is NH2 is there, just paste here. And another just that is also not required actually. See here already copied is there. So just copy this structure, major structure, copy and paste here. Just paste, copy and paste. So now the mechanism is over. So similar mechanism will come for the minor. Minor it is see it is minor typing mistake is there. Minor product. So same mechanism will follow the minor. So attack from the here only on. So minor product also you can draw. You no need to draw that. So one structure is enough. Drawing mechanism for one structure drawing is enough. Now I want to show you how to make it nice, beautiful, looks beautiful how. So here all the cuts take align all the structure, align on the structure so that it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. So nitrogen come down. So I will take merge nitrogen. So nitrogen as a merging nitrogen. Here also nitrogen. I am taking the nitrogen on the line. All the nitrogen on the line. On the line. So this arrow just if you don't need this much big arrow here, so just delete it and if you need same size arrow, just copy one arrow and paste all over paste, Control V, just paste it. So you will get a same type of arrow, same arrow, and this arrow little bit off. This also you can align. So as nitrogen, all nitrogen are aligned. So now you can do one thing. I want to align all the arrows. So now see this arrow is little bit off. So little bit down. Just using your keyboard, you can do this. So the product already written. So if you want to save some space, you take this structure little bit off. Take this structure little bit off. So okay. So right like this you can draw a structure. Now if I copy this mechanism, all this I am copying all this one, and I can paste it on the in my Word file. So see, I want to paste it in my Word file. So it pasted. So it paste, you can see all same is not coming. So see, so like this you can draw a scheme as well as the mechanism of the Hoffman Martius rearrangement. So what is Hofmann-Martius rearrangement? Reaction converting an N-alkylated aniline to corresponding ortho and para arylated alline in presence of acid, that is hydrochloric acid, and heat. The reaction is known as the Hofmann-Martius rearrangement in organic chemistry. So this is the reaction, and this is the mechanism of the reaction. So ortho, I think ortho ortho substitution mechanism also you can draw that. And thank you very much.